The infamous Bhopal Gas Tragedy on the night of December 2nd and 3rd in 1984 killed more than 5,000 people after highly toxic methyl isocyanate or MIC gas leaked from the Union Carbide unit in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
The scenes are simply hellish. So much suffering from India's invisible killer. At one point, an official said one death was being recorded every minute from the poison gas leak in the city of Bhopal.
It has been 40 years since then and about 20 years of the legal battle for its toxic waste treatment. Finally, the toxic waste has left the factory for incineration. On the 1st of January 2025 at 9 p.m., 12 trucks carrying a total of 337 metric tons of toxic waste from the now defunct Union Carbide factory site in Bhopal left for the Pithampur industrial area amid heavy security. Pithampur industrial area is about 250 kilometers from Bhopal near Indore and falls under the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. The hazardous waste will be incinerated at 1200 degrees Celsius by the Ramki Enviro Engineers Limited, the sole company in Pithampur equipped for such operations. The 337 metric tons of toxic waste, which was collected in 2005, sparked several protests in Gujarat, which was the first planned site for waste disposal. But strong directives from the Madhya Pradesh High Court in December 2024 directed authorities to clean up the site within a month, pressuring them into action. According to authorities, more than 100 specially trained workers under the supervision of the Central Pollution Control Board or CPCB and the Madhya Pradesh Pollution Control Board or MPPCB and various scientific experts carried out the packing and loading of the waste on December 28, 2024. According to Swatantra Kumar Singh, Director of the Bhopal Gas Tragedy Relief and Rehabilitation Directorate, the waste will be incinerated between a period of 3 and 9 months. The authorities will first incinerate a small batch, burning it at high temperature using diesel, and examine its impact on the local environment. Locals have expressed concerns over the incineration process. However, the government has decided to go ahead with it with all safety measures. The smoke will only be released through a 4-layer filtration process, and the solid residue will be buried under landfill sites and covered with 2-layer membranes. The toxic waste which was left on the Union Carbide factory premises has polluted groundwater in 42 surrounding colonies, according to a report from the Indian Institute of Toxicology Research. Organizations representing survivors have long demanded the removal and safe disposal of this waste. Currently, locals and activists of Pithampur are continuing to protest against this disposal, fearing it will contaminate their local environment and water bodies. Head to this link for an interactive timeline since the gas tragedy.